Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to prepare tomato curry, for which we'll need the following ingredients to serve approximately 2 people: 2 large tomatoes, 1 medium-sized onion and 2 green chilies, 1 cup of coconut milk. This is the homemade fresh coconut milk. For tempering, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, some curry leaves and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/3 teaspoon of curry masala powder. The recipe you can find in Akshu's Kitchen channel on YouTube. First, in a pan I am going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and when it is hot I am going to add the mustard seeds first, and when it starts spluttering then I am going to add the curry leaves and the 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger and saute it for about a minute until the ginger loses the raw flavor and becomes a little soft. So after a minute I am going to add the 1 medium sized onion which I have roughly chopped, and also the 2 green chilies which I have slit into 2 pieces, and saute it for a minute until the onions become little soft and turns light golden in color. And once you reach this consistency, I'm going to add the 2 large tomatoes which I have roughly chopped, and again saute it for about 1 or 2 minutes until the tomatoes become little soft and becomes pulpy. So it took me about 2 minutes to reach this consistency. Now I'm going to add all the spice powders: the chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, curry masala powder and the salt, and saute it for about 5 to 10 seconds and immediately add about 1.5 cups of water and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to put it on a medium flame and allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. So after about 3 minutes you can see the curry has become combined well and it's got a thick consistency. At this stage I am going to add the 1 cup of freshly homemade coconut milk. If you are using the store-bought one, you'll need only half a cup of it because it will be very thick and sweet, so use accordingly. Today I am preparing only a small quantity, that's the reason I am using coconut milk. But if you are using a bulk quantity for about 6 to 10 people, then you will find it very tedious to have more coconut milk. In that case you can use about 1/4 of coconut, just grind it into a fine paste and add it. That will give good thickness and consistency to the curry and it will get more volume. For bulk quantity you will have to prepare more coconut milk or use more store-bought one. In that case, as I said, you can use the grinded coconut paste. So allow it to simmer in medium flame for another 2 to 3 minutes after adding the coconut milk, and now you can see it has thickened well and tomato curry is ready. This is a very simple recipe and gets ready in about 10 minutes, and it's a very good savior recipe when you have only little amount of time. It goes very well with rice. Try it and you will really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.